So I know that you're used to seeing her do all the breakfast and the food, but it's my turn, so I'm cooking breakfast.
Oh, are you?
No, just kidding.
I was gonna say, it's news to me. I thought you were about to do something nice.
You want me to cook breakfast?
Well, now you ruined it.
Oh, I see.
No. Here's our outfits of the day. I'm wearing this blue jumpsuit. And what are you wearing?
Minty pink shirt.
Minty.
I don't know. And some white shorts.
Those are not white. He doesn't know how to do outfits of the day. He's wearing a pink shirt with blue polka dots, black dots, and beige shorts. And your sandals.
And prepared for the wind.
And these are my shoes of choice. So cute. Good morning, guys. Today I'm going to be filming a week in the life. So today is Friday, April 8th, and we're going to Laguna Beach today. Adam doesn't have to go to work today, so we're going to go spend the day at the beach. It's going to be the hottest day of the week, so we're going to take advantage of that because after today it goes back into the 60s. And it's here in our town it's 97, but at the beach it'll be like 84. So I'm excited. I love Laguna.
I've never been there, so it's hot.
It is. So we parked the car over here and we're walking up this little hill. This is our view. This is Lake Elsinore. Elsinore, is that what it's called?
Yeah. It's
so pretty. We can walk up here more. There's a lizard. Wow. Stunning views.
You are the sunshine, you are the ocean to me. You are the sunshine, you are the ocean.
So we just got back from the beach. We are very toasty and sandy. The dogs, we just let them out. We're gonna go take them on a walk because they've been in their cages. But it's about 5:30 and we just made it home. Laguna Beach is probably the closest one to us. It didn't take too long. So we're back from walking the dogs. I didn't film it. We're just like so tired and burnt out from the beach. I'm currently making Adam some food because he's hungry. I'm not hungry yet, so I'm gonna make him this. So we're gonna go to the pool because the pool sounds really nice right now because it's a hot day. And then I'm gonna make actual dinner because I'm not hungry yet. My hair got so crunchy from the beach. All the salt water, it's like crunchy. So I'm putting some aloe on Adam because he is very red. It's so red. He sunburns so easily and does not tan at all. I'm the opposite.
1. 2. 3 It will turn no tan, right?
Really? I don't know. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 21 22 23 24 25 26 27 28 29 30 31 32 33 34 35 36 37 38 39 40 41 42 43 44 45 46 47 48 49 50 51 52 53 54 55 56 57 58 59 60 61 62 63 64 65 66 67 68 69 70 71 72 73 74 75 76 77 78 79 80 81 82 83 84 85 86 87 88 89 90 91 92 93 94 95 96 97 98 99 100 101 102 103 104 105 106 107 108 109 110 111 112 113 114 115 116 117 118 119 120 121 122 123 124 125 126 127 128 129 130 131 132 133 134 135 136 137 138 139 140 141 142 143 144 145 146 147 1
What else would it do?
To peel. So we just got all showered up and now I am making us some pizza. This is 3 cheese, cauliflower, gluten-free pizza crust. Got it from Aldi's. And I'm curious to see what it tastes like because cauliflower pizzas can be really hit or miss to me, so we'll see. The pizza's done. It looks yummy. Now I'm excited to eat it. Adam is so sunburnt. Let's take a look. Looking like a lobster.
I feel like lobster.
Yeah, I got a playlist that makes us sound so romantic. Pretend that it's sweet so I'm not tasting all the tragic. Oh, this anxiety is killing me. Oh, so full of nervous energy. I still roll the dice, take another slice. But when it comes to you and I, we're sugar crashing.
Good morning, guys. It's now Tuesday. Today I just made us some papaya, Greek yogurt papaya bowls. Never made this before, but I was feeling adventurous this morning. And how is it?
Good.
It's good.
Good.
We're gonna go to the dog beach today, and I'm really excited because I'm sure the dogs are gonna love it. What else are we doing? That's pretty much all we have planned, right?
Did you receive it?
I want to try this for you on camera. What does papaya taste like? I've never had it. I kind of like flavorless.
Good.
The papaya roll. What?
I like it.
Why are you laughing?
No.
You have like a smirk on your face. You also have a little egg on your face. It's good.
It's good.
I think it would be better with a smoothie bowl in it instead of yogurt, but we're gonna eat this. And then we're gonna go to the beach. So I will show you guys that as it comes. Last night we ate that pizza and it was actually really good. I recommend if you go to Aldi's, the 3 cheese cauliflower crust pizza. Delicious. We're watching Married at First Sight right now. We're starting on season 5 and we're actually pretty addicted to it. So that's what we did yesterday and I'm pumped for today. We made it to the dog beach. Winnie is scared of the water. But Lila's loving it. Hey, hi. She's crazy. Okay, we are back from In-N-Out. That really hit the spot. What about you?
It was yum yum.
It was yum yum. I came home to a package from Shein. I got clothes, so I'm gonna be doing I'm gonna be doing a little haul for you guys. It's not like a crazy ton. It's about, I think it's 2 or 3 outfits, a phone case and some shoes. So I'm gonna give you a haul and Adam at the same time. So first, let's start with the phone case. Here we go. It's so cute. Okay, so it says, it looks like this, and it says, when the sun is shining, I can do anything. No mountain is too high, no trouble too difficult to overcome. Light tomorrow with today. Isn't that cute?
Is it clear?
Right now I have this one from Casetify. It's so cute. Look. Love that. I got some shoes. These are so cute. So they're like a cream sandal. Cute. Those will go with a lot. So this is the top and a swimsuit. And these are the bottoms. Got some brown, chocolate brown sweatpants. Look.
Oh, nice.
And then a matching, this is different. This would be a cute like beach outfit. A matching little top to go with it. One more outfit. I got some shorts. Wait. I got these tan colored shorts. Do you like it?
Yeah.
I'll have to try it on so you can see. They're soft. And they have pockets. And then a bodysuit to go with it.
That's hot.
So that's cool. I love all of it. Now I'm gonna go try it on, but I love that. All right, so it's a while later. We went to the hot tub and then we went to Target and we bought some new bedding back here. I don't know if you can see it, but it's like a cute like green comforter, because the one that we have is messed up. It smells musty because it didn't fit in the dryer. It fit in the washer, or no, it didn't fit in the washer properly, or the dryer, I don't know, one or the other, and it messed it up. So I had a new one. Went and got him some ice cream and me some crumble cookie because I didn't want ice cream, and I'm sad because I wanted the berries and cream one, but they were out. So I got waffle, which is fine, but I thought it came with syrup and it doesn't. So it looks so boring. So update on the cookie. I do like it, but it would be so much better with syrup. I thought it came with it, but it's still nice and soft, and it came with icing on top. And I'm dropping things.